Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. How are ya? I hope you're doing well. I am Rhonda. My necklace is a little ajar because it's really important where my necklace is at all times. My lucky horseshoe. So it's like this, so the luck will never run out. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I welcome you to the channel. I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below and leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing. It'd be nice to know because I'm concerned. I worry about you sometimes. But it's okay. You should worry about me because I've bought my first Jaclyn Hill palette. And it is the Strawberry Feels palette. And the packaging is fantastic. Look at the box is really just gorgeous. And it's a beautiful color story. I'm usually not a Jaclyn fan just because, you know, the whole lipstick gate and she just seems kind of cheesy. And, you know, her other palette escapades have been pretty bad. So, and she has problems with formulation a lot with eyeshadows and problems with consistency. But this palette really spoke to me. So I thought I would give it a try. Let's have some magic swatches. Bam! Here we go. Starts here and there and there and there and there and there and there. There's 10 colors and some are very nice and nude and there's a couple shimmery colors. They swatched okay, but I wasn't expecting like, you know, pigment from the gods. I didn't expect like melt quality, you know. So let's just see how this goes. So I'm going to start with a neutral color, which is called Shortcake in my crease. A lot of kick up in the pan. It shows up on the brush. It's a very nice, pretty, neutral color. And it goes really well with my fair complexion, but it still shows up just a little bit like a little blush of color. And it really sets the tone. But we can go almost anywhere from here. So, anywho, I think I'm going to go in with Picnic Pie, the next darkest shade. It's much darker on the brush than it is in the palette. I'll put it on the outside corner and into the crease a little bit. Giving kind of an ombre look. Picnic Pie. What is your favorite picnic pie? That is what I want to know. I love a chess pie. If you're from the South and well, sometimes other people have been in the South and checked out a chess pie before, but chess pies are freaking amazing. This is very pretty. This is a very pretty kind of neutrally with a little pinky kick so far. I'm really interested in this Fresh Picked, this red. And sugar coated, I can't wait to use that shimmer. So I guess I will take my finger and go into Fresh Picked. Look at that, that looks good. And apply it on my lid, on the outside part of my lid. That color is very buildable. So now I'm going to clean my index fingers off because I'm going to go into Sugar Coated and put it on the inside corner. It looks like it's a lot brighter over here. Let me go back in with Fresh Picked. That's much better. I'm really digging that color. It's just kind of like a rusty strawberry kind of thing. So now I'm going to go into Sugar Coated and go into my inside corner and blend it out into Fresh Picked. That looks good. That looks so pretty. But I think there's room for a little bit more depth on the outside corner. So I'm going to go into, I don't know, All the Feels or Berry Whipped. I'm going to go into All the Feels. That's really packing the punch. That really packs a punch. I'm going to take my picnic pie and put it on the outside corner there to blend out the edges a little bit. That looks really pretty. This palette's not bad. I'm not hating this palette at all. I think it's kind of fun. Let's do some liner and lashes and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner on, and that Il Makiage waterproof liner is fantastic. And I really love the way that this eye look has turned out. I also have two new colors of Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. They are special edition. I have number 395, which is called Birthday Bestie, and then 390 Life of the Party. Which one should I use? I think Life of the Party. Or should I go a little more pink? Ooh, fresh. No, not the pink. Let's go with Life of the Party. Oh, Lord, that's bright. That's really bright. Let's not do that one either. Let's go darker with number 50 Voyager. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I am loving this. This darkness with this bright eye. Very cool. So I'm liking this palette. I like it. I am not going to complain about it, and I don't have a palette that's exactly like it at all. So I like the Strawberry Feels. That is what I think. A thumbs up. So thanks so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and give this palette a chance. It's pretty daggone good. Bye.